Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of the Canon EOS R8 mirrorless camera. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you know that I bought this camera not too long ago and I want to talk a little bit about it. First of all, the Canon EOS R8 is a compact and powerful tool that has become my somewhat go-to for photography and videography. In this video, I'll be sharing with you why I chose this camera, its standout features, and yes, a few very frustrating moments I've encountered. So let's get started. One of the main reasons I decided to invest in the Canon EOS R8, aside its price point, was its small form factor and lightweight design. As a travel-friendly camera, it allows me to capture amazing images and videos without the burden of a bulky setup. The familiar Canon UI also made it a seamless transition from my previous Canon mirrorless camera, the Canon M6 Mark II. Another feature that drew me in when I was doing my research was the camera's ability to capture 10-bit 422 color and provide a full sensor readout even at 4K 60. This means I can achieve stunning image quality and detail in my videos, offering a professional look to my content. Additionally, the 24.2 megapixel full frame sensor ensures that I can capture stunning images with remarkable detail and color accuracy. It's truly a versatile camera that excels in both photography and videography. I initially purchased the Canon EOS R8 to replace my Canon M6 Mark II, which I was using to film my behind the scenes videos for this channel. I felt the need for an upgrade, especially when I started taking on video projects like filming small social media ads and reels for clients. However, this brings me to the frustrating moments that I've encountered so far. One of the issues I've faced with the Canon EOS R8 is its battery life, because I did my research and I do understand that Canon intentionally designed the R8 to be lightweight and compact, which led to a smaller battery size. Whilst this smaller battery is fine for photography, it becomes a challenge when using the camera for extended video shoots, and I felt this is something I should let you guys know. It is worth mentioning that the Canon R7, which shares a similar price point with the Canon R8, actually comes with a better LPE6NH battery and has in-body image stabilization. It's a bit puzzling why Canon didn't opt to include the same battery in the R8, especially considering all the weight savings achieved by removing IBIS, removing the mechanical shutter, and shrinking the overall size of the Canon R8. The difference in weight between the R8 and R7 currently is a mere 0.2 pounds. And so I feel like having the larger battery would have provided more power and longer shooting sessions, particularly for those extended video shoots. I believe Canon could have found a balance between portability and battery life by incorporating the larger battery, especially considering the other design choices they've made to reduce the camera's weight and size. Despite this battery limitation, I still believe that the Canon EOS R8 offers a compelling package overall, with its outstanding image quality and versatile capabilities. Even though the R6 Mark II solves all the problems that I've just mentioned, albeit being a heavier, bulkier setup, they both get their screenshots off as soon as you connect the transmitter or monitor to the HDMI ports. And this is something that I wasn't aware of. You even lose all touch functionalities and the ability to record internally into the camera. This can be a bit problematic, especially when you decide to use this camera as your main camera for client work. It seems to be a deliberate limitation by Canon, which could potentially be resolved with a firmware update, but knowing Canon, this will probably be something we will have to live with, or simply get an R5, which I have, or get an R5C or a C70. And from a business sense, this is what Canon wants. But like I said, adding these tiny features will not be able to overthrow other benefits of having a cinema camera like dual gain ISO, inbuilt NDs, dynamic range boost or image quality, and physical buttons, multiple recording formats amidst a myriad of ports and durability. For me, to work around this issue, I've resorted to using my Canon R5 as my main camera when dealing with client work that requires transmitting to a monitor, and then using the R8 as a reliable B-cam. Where transmitting, however, is not an issue, I will simply use the R8 for the weight savings and get a few extra batteries to extend shooting times. I genuinely love the Canon EOS R8 for its exceptional image quality, compact size, and versatile capabilities. However, I was taken aback, to be honest, by the HDMI limitation, which forces me to use my Canon R5 for certain professional scenarios. Despite this frustration, to be honest, the R8 remains a fantastic camera for a wide range of applications. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. If you own the Canon EOS R8, what's your love-hate relationship with the camera? Share your experiences, and if you have any questions about the camera, feel free to ask me. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more camera related content. Until next time, keep capturing those amazing moments, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, don't ever give up.